Choose a patient from Patient Management System. Press MedicTalk icon. Then press Forms button. Once MedicTalk is open, double-click on the desired consent. When consent opens, enter any text if needed. When done editing consent, press Add Patient Signature button. Have patient sign on a signature pad, then click Save. To add doctor's signature, press the Doctor button. Add doctor's signature, then click Save. Each consent allows you to add third signature. Press the pan icon, select desired third signature type, then press the third signature button. Add third signature, type the name or any other information in the comments box, then click Save. Click the Save button, then Close button. Repeat the same steps with other required consents, then press Exit button.